Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. So on your WordPress dashboard, under the plugin section, you want to go ahead and add a new plugin. And the plugin's name that we're going to install is iTheme Security. So there's a bunch of plugins on the WordPress marketplace that gets various things done on your website regarding security. iTheme Security actually encompasses everything. So it's a one-stop shop for securing your WordPress site. So in the plugin search bar, you want to go ahead and search for iThemes. Select enter. And the very first option that comes up is iTheme Security. Like always, go ahead and click install now and bash that activate button. So that's going to activate the plugin on our website. Alright, so on the left hand panel of your WordPress dashboard, you're going to have a new option which is called security. So you can go ahead and select security. The next screen you'll be presented with is the following. It's a security check to run the security check on your website. So if you click secure site, it's going to run all 6 of those points on your website. And the network brute force protection is probably one of the most important. What this does is limit the login attempts of a potential hacker to only 3. And you will get notified if someone does try and exceed this. So you can go ahead and click secure site. So this is running all security checks that is needed on your site. The next screen you're presented with is redirecting all HTTP requests to HTTPS. So as we all know, HTTPS is more of a secure connection, and it is shown by having a lock in your URL. We want to redirect all these requests, so select that guy. And the next one we want to activate is activate network brute force protection. That's exactly what I was speaking about a few moments ago, where you are notified via email if there are certain login attempts that seem a bit dodgy. Alright, so go ahead and select activate network brute force protection. Our site is now secure. The next screen we are presented with is all the options we have available to us in iTheme Security. So by default, the recommended options are showing. I want you to go ahead and select all. This is going to show us all the options that we have. And the next option we're going to click on is hide backend. So I'm sure you can guess what this feature does. It basically allows you to change your WordPress login URL. So by default, to log into your WordPress dashboard, it is wp-admin or wp-login. So it's quite a generic term. This is going to allow us to, all you have to do is highlight this guy and input anything that you need to input here in order to access your WordPress URL. So I'm just going to leave mine for the purpose of this demo, just like that. Alright, so we are sorted. We want to go back to security. So this is a completely free plugin, which is really awesome. And if you run these checks 9 times out of 10, it's going to get the job done. If you are very serious about your content on your website and you have, I think it is $80 for the iTheme Security Pro, which secures your one site, and that is a once-off price. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and actually get the Pro version for $80. But as I said, the free version, I use the free version and it gets everything done, all that you need. So the next option that we go ahead and do is scroll down on this options page. And under the site scan, this is basically going to check for any malware or any like dodgy endpoints or blocklist statuses on our website. So go ahead and click scan now. This is going to run a scan to make sure there's no malware on our website. And as you can see, this is currently clean on my website. Obviously it will report back to you if the site is not clean. So that is how you go ahead and secure your WordPress website. It's just those few checks. If you did enjoy this video and you felt that that your site is secure now, which it definitely is, please give me a subscribe and support my channel, or a like, and just leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video and give me some ideas of future videos that you would like to have me do regarding WordPress. Thank you so much for listening, and until next time, cheers.